The first few days of season this year, we struggled with bad weather and flocked up birds. It became apparent that we would be challenged with these conditions, and that persistence was going to be key.
Night shift. I worked last night and I work again tonight, a 12-hour shift, so I got to be able to get some sleep today. So my goal was to kill him right off the roost this morning if I could. Obviously that didn't work out, but I can tell that this bird has been pressured already this year.
Over the course of the next couple hunts for this bird, I threw everything at him I could think of.
I'm trying to self-film this somehow. I think I'm just going to end up setting the camera up behind me and hoping that it catches everything. We'll see what happens.
By the time I got to the peninsula of trees in the middle of the field, the birds were just about over the crest of the hill, going away from me towards the timber.
Well, this bird has bamboozled me again. I was walking out at 12:15, and this field has a big roll in it. You can't see the majority of the field. I can't see from the blind, but this bird, he was freaking out in the field, feeding. No hens with him. Wait for white flagger today, but this is a developing story now, so hopefully we can get on them.
Alright, well, this is day 4 of trying to kill this particular gobbler. You know, this particular setup here is pretty unique because he's living in a block of timber that's surrounded by a lot of other, you know, CRP grass and heavy cover and water, and the only field that he really has easy access to is this cut cornfield. So he's just an old, pressured old bird, and I've really had a good time chasing him. It's been fun, and I just love that he's consistent. You know, he's got a pattern. So buddy Corey's coming out to film today, and we've got some rain moving in this morning, so I think that's going to bring these birds out to these fields, and I think we're going to be able to have a good shot at them this morning.
Game on, buddy. You might be ready to die. Is that a train, Nick? There he is, there he is, there he is. Just caught it right in the corner. Oh, yeah. It's right in the corner.
Dude, what came on that? He's all by himself.
He's just feeding. Staring.
Let's just shut up for a minute.
Yeah.
Dude, he'd have been at 10 yards if we left the blind where it was.
I know.
He's coming, dude. Okay. Very slowly still, but yeah, you know, and he's still out there, but
He'll be.
he's coming. He can't handle the silent treatment. Kind of pissing him off.
I can hear it in his gobbler.
I think he's committed to this.
Yeah, I might be able to, if he walks on that line, I might be able to kill him.
I mean, he's all the way right here, right?
Yeah, if he gets to this thing, I probably can reach him.
He's right here, man. Like, if you're gonna try to kill him over there, you should probably get ready. What's that?
He's in my window. Can't tell. I feel like he's in range.
That's up to you.
He's angling us far away a little bit.
Absolutely dumped him, dude.
Dude, I did not think that was gonna happen.
What do you think about that, old boy?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you be flopping.
This is the most finicky bird I've ever seen.
Oh, ridiculous. But he's dead. Thumped him, dude. Oh.
Yeah, dude. Oh man. Third degrees, buddy. Wow. Just a beautiful, beautiful bird, man.
They are gorgeous animals.
I love them. Well, here he is, the most finicky bird I've ever killed. Usually these ones get away. I've been hunting this bird all week. Came close on him two mornings ago, and he hung up at 80 yards. Would not commit to my decoys, would not come in. He would just gobble, gobble, gobble. Strutted a couple times, and then he just left. And so today we made a move on him. We positioned our setup a little bit different to hope that we could at least reach him if he was in the field. We moved the blind in the dark today, and he actually walked by where it was within 15-20 yards of the spot. So we were kicking ourselves a little bit in the blind, just watching him ignore our calling and ignore our decoys, and every time we called, he almost looked like he was going to leave. So we decided just to shut up on him, give him the silent treatment, and he started to get a little bit more antsy. He would gobble more, and he definitely was moving further into the field, but he just would not commit to our decoys at all. And he ended up skirting us around the back of the blind, and I got a good look at him out the back window and decided that he was in range, my comfortable range, and put the bead on him and pulled the trigger, and he was done right there. I mean, he dropped his tracks. So it was awesome, and we actually think that he got shot at on the second day of the season. So we had a guy hunting in here, and we heard a shot, and this bird has not acted right since then. So the fact that we were able to get him down today is just like really unbelievable to me, but I'm still a little bit in disbelief. But I was happy to do it with my buddy Corey here filming. I appreciate you being here, dude. And we got some beautiful footage of this guy coming across the field, and got beautiful footage all the way up to the end. So we got some fun stuff coming up.
we're gonna be hunting other states, probably Pennsylvania, for sure. And I might be headed back to Virginia depending on how we do in PA. So we're not done turkey hunting by any means. So stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to Hunt, Fish, Shoot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us, and let us know what you think of this video.